Sofia, are authorities getting more comfortable with the stronger yuan?
That is a very good question. So exactly after the currency rally to the strongest level in 5 years against the basket, everyone was kind of on the alert for any signals from the PBOC or whether gains would continue. We got that late night statement from the central bank, a rare and strong worded statement saying that the currency wouldn't be used to reduce inflationary pressures, which is exactly what analysts have been calling. It can be a weapon. It can be a tool for that. So that statement was kind of neutral, but it is talking down expectations in financial markets right now that the yuan is a one-way bet and that the only way it's going right now is up.
Yes, because the yuan, the currency, the flexibility of it has long been kind of a gauge as to how serious Beijing really is about having market-driven fundamentals, right?
Yeah, exactly. There are growing signs that Beijing is actually relaxing its grip on the nation's currency as part of a broader push in financial markets. You know, a less interventionist central bank is a key component of China's plan, Xi Jinping's plan to liberalize the currency market and promote the global usage of the yuan. But, you know, this is still China. The statement came after a meeting of central bank officials last night. SAFE and the central bank met with major forex players. This is in itself pressure of its own kind. You know, it is essentially telling the market, don't have strong bets, one-way bets on the currency in either direction. It is notable that the statement yesterday also said that the currency wouldn't be used in a depreciation scenario to boost exports. So it's really saying let's have a two-way flow of the currency.
What are we seeing in terms of analyst calls? Are we seeing more bullish sentiment?
So we had, before the central bank statement came out to kind of quell speculation, we had analysts calling for 6.2, which would be a level last seen before the devaluation in 2015. Earlier this year, one analyst was calling for 6, so that would be the strongest since the currency market was liberalized in 1993. What will be interesting now is to see whether the PBOC statement changes that. The kind of sense that we're getting from analysts this morning is that it doesn't really change the broader direction of the yuan. There are still appreciation pressures on the currency. It is an attractive market for foreign capital inflows, and that won't change. But the pace of appreciation might slow. It will be interesting to see the fixing this morning at 9:15. I'm talking to my colleagues specialized in that fixing, and the idea is that the PBOC will want to keep it as neutral, as boring, and as in line with expectations as possible to really kind of hone in on the fact that it's not managing the currency, it's just managing expectations of the currency.